What's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is day 4 of strategy 3. We're going to get right into it. If y'all enjoy the video, like, subscribe. I do the same intro every time now. It's kind of crazy. Here we go. I already have everything labeled out. The 1 hour bullish, 4 hour bearish, 30-minute bullish, 15-minute bullish. Here we go. We're just going to get right into it. So we have a liquidity sweep right here. We have a retracement, a little low, I'm going to be honest. Especially since we didn't create a higher high here. So the 4 hour is bearish. I want to sweep liquidity up here, or I want to retrace down here for something. Or just sweep this liquidity if we just so happen to. Here we go. Alright, we swept this liquidity right here. And we have a big move up. Sweet. Okay, so we are in a weekly gap right now. It doesn't look like it's affecting us very much. Alright. We are trading breaker blocks and OTE. We have an entry right here. I doubt it'll go back there. It looks like it's going to inverse it, to be honest. Alright. Liquidity sweep, reaction off the fair value gap, keeps going down. We break structure, just about. Swept liquidity again. Swept liquidity. Sweet. Alright. We are going to use this as the breaker block. Cool. I'm entering shorts here. Above this high that I just made. And let's target... Let's target down here for now. And we're already stopped out. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me, bro. That is a shame. I need to start setting my stop losses like up here, but damn. Like, how does that even... That's not even good. Maybe above the order block, but I guess I could have used this as the breaker block. That's cool. It happens. Alright, 23 is a no-go. Today's the last day, so we're going to journal what's going on with the strategy or whatever. Damn. Weekly gap is invalidated. Cool. All right. We have a high right here. We have a fair value gap right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's do that. This fair value gap is valid. Price reacts off of that. Let's look for this low and this low to get swept. And let's look for 30-minute confluences. Actually, let's look for the trend first. Broke structure to the upside on the 1 hour. 4 hour, we are bearish, which I'm more interested in the 1 hour, I'm going to be honest. Bullish on the 30-minute, 15-minute, bullish. Cool. We swept liquidity with this candle. I mean, we already retraced to it. I think we're going to sweep a low here and continue to the upside. It's all low resistance liquidity though. Low resistance liquidity. Major low. Or high resistance liquidity. I think price will come up here. Either way, it's going to be a big move. Price either wants to come all the way down here or all the way up here. Alright, there is a fair value gap right here on the 5-minute. Price reacted off of and swept liquidity. And we broke structure with that candle. So we have the breaker block here. Retrace for me? No. Waiting for a liquidity sweep right there. It also closed above it. That's a breaker structure. It's going to keep going up. We inverse that gap. That's a shame. Our setup didn't happen. It's cool. Would have been a crazy trade though. Price is slowing down. Break structure to the downside. Cool. We react off of this fair value gap. And we keep going. I want to sweep this or this. Swap liquidity. With this candle, the move up is right here. That's crazy, honestly. Let's go to the next day. It's already too late. Inverse fair value gap, not working very well, obviously. Alrighty. We can delete this 5-minute fair value gap. Cool, let's go to the 1 hour again. That was day 24, no trade? Cool. Oh, shoot. I put an X on it. Alright. In the 1 hour, we are bearish. I'm guessing in the 4 hour, we are... Don't know. Couldn't tell you. We are bullish in the 4 hour. 1 hour, we are bearish. 30-minute, we are bullish. 15-minute, we are bullish. Cool. Strong resistance liquidity. Another strong low, I'd say. Strong high. We can delete these lines. And the liquidity sweep up here. We can target equal highs. So with this liquidity, I think we are bullish. Let's go back to the 1 hour real quick. We created no fair value gaps out of this. Absolutely none. So I think price will come down here. Let's look for a short. I want to break structure right here. Swap liquidity, looking for a big move down. We break structure to the downside on the 3-minute. Sweep liquidity. This is the breaker block, the move down before the move up. Almost retrace. All right, we are in the breaker block. Let's wait for a reaction. Cool. We get a break out of it. Now I want to see another Cool. Alright, there's an inverse value gap. We're going to short out of this. Above this high. And I would like to target these lows. Take profit 1 will be right here at this line. And we're stopped down instantly. That is a shame. Okay, on to day 26. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. We are bullish. On the 1 hour, we are bearish. Bullish, bearish, bearish. Bullish. Delete these lines because they don't matter. All right, that's not what I said. Low probability order cock. Inside high probability. 30-minute. 15-minute. Tiny fair value gap right here. It's respected. I want to break past these lows before I get into a short. Let's do that. All right, respected order block. Still respected. And disrespected. Cool. All right, we have a liquidity sweep. We have a breaker block right here on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 3 minute, look for a better one. There's this one right here. Let's see if price reacts off of it. Price reacts off of this. It's so respected. Let's wait for the 1 minute. Look for a bullish candle. Still valid. Cool. All right, we have inversed. I want to inverse this gap. There we go. Retrace back to it. We just completely dump. I'm glad I didn't enter. Cool. What in tarnation? Swap liquidity. Yeah. On to the next day, day 26, no trade. We have a strong low down here. We can delete this. We can delete this, whatever that is. We have a liquidity sweep right here. Strong low down here. Down here. Price is chasing both. I want to sweep this liquidity right here. Or just break past it. I mean, fails to create a higher high. Inverse the gap. Alright. Holy death candle, bro. Looking for a retracement. No such thing. I'm shorting this for funsies. It's just how it works. Stopped out. Never doing that again. That is wild. Okay. Don't know. The move already happened for the day. My setup didn't happen. All the liquidity was swept. Let's get out of here. 27, no go. I didn't trade a breaker block on the last trade, so I didn't bother counting it. All right, bullish on the 1 hour, bearish on the 4 hour. Yeah, what on earth is that, dude? Don't know what that is. I couldn't tell you what that is. That is amazing, bro. Okay, we have a fair value gap right here. $15-minute. Low resistance liquidity. I think we're just going to chase these lows down here. I don't know. Yet. Break structure. Reaction off of this gap. Guessing it'll break past. No worries. Let's go to the 1 minute. 3 minute. That's more like it. Fair value gap. Long here. Take profit. There is nothing. Here we go. Session open. Almost. Clicking my mouse. Swap liquidity. Inverse value gap. Price retraces back to it. And long. We're not trading inverse value gaps though. And not stopped out yet. We're not stopped out yet. Swap liquid. Price goes stopped out. Cool. All right. 1 hour. Whatever this is, honestly. This is 30-minute. That's much better. 30 minutes. This gap was invalidated. When We have a high right here. We have dog butt cheeks down here. I mean, we got nothing. I want to can tell you. I want to go up. I can tell you that. Perfect. Swept liquidity. Move down. No, move down. Swap liquidity again. Price is going to keep going up. I've seen that before. Yep. And inverse value gap. Fake out. Price goes up here. I lied. Price just dips down. Nice. Cool. So, go to the 1 minute. Never mind. I lied. 3 minute. No breaker block. No liquidity sweep. Price. Oh shoot, that was my trade. I was getting a long right here. On the next day, day 28 and 29 was a no-go. Longs did not work out, I can tell you that. They did not work out, I can tell you that. Cool. What in tarnation? That's fine. I expected it. Price reacts off of this gap. Whatever this is, lovely. That's too pretty. It's going to inverse it. I'm looking for a short off this fair value gap. Bang. Let's go to the 1 minute. Look for a liquidity sweep. Looking for a move down here. Or not. Cool. I want a liquidity sweep. No liquidity sweep. Doesn't exist. There we go. Liquidity sweep. Oh, price is going to keep going up. Cool. Liquidity sweep, right? Right? This is awful. What the heck is the Head and Shoulders doing here? I don't want a long. Long. Take profit. Yes, sir. Day 30 was a no-go, right? Not yet. Not yet. Let's look for a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. Inverse it. What the heck? Alright, we got nothing. That is lame. We took 2 losses today. Jeez, this might be the worst strategy yet. Here we go. We're going to count it up. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 trades. And we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 losses. I forgot how many trades we took. I think it was 21. So that means 7 wins, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 21 trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 trades. Okay. Where the heck did that come from? Okay, 4 wins, 14 losses. That is awful. Get me off the chart now. 4 and 14. Tomorrow we'll be back with the 4th strategy: liquidity, pie time, confluence, SMT. That's gonna be a tough one. Other confluence, we'll try it. Honestly, I have a lot of strategies. Let's just do. Did I already do? I already did fair value gap OTE. Screw that. I kind of just made up some stuff. Honestly, strategy 4 we might end the series. I don't want to do SMT, but I might. I think SMT will be good to get good at. I think it'll help me. A lot of people like SMTs. I want to see what it's about. And if if that doesn't work out, I'll just do one more. I want to do one more strategy of me just trying all the strategies, but what I think is best for the right moment. So we'll do that. I'll do strategy 4 tomorrow and the 3 days after, and then I'll do all the strategies and see my win rate then, instead of just sticking to one strategy. Anyways, that'll be all, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you're doing. Peace.